Have you ever clicked on a link in a website and gone to another website? We've all done that, right? And that is what's called an external link. An external link is when you, in your blog post, put a link to another website, another blog post, another video, something that you link externally to that you want to point your readers to. And oftentimes, an external link is a useful resource. It's a place where your readers can go to learn more about what you're talking about, especially if you don't have the room to expand on it right there within your own blog post. So external links are very useful from the perspective of giving readers more value, showing them where they can go to learn more about a particular subject, and also search engines like Google. Their algorithms take this into account, and they love to see that you're linking to authoritative websites with external links. So all in all, external links help you significantly on your blog. It helps to increase your authority. It shows your readers that you're actually serving them. And the only thing you want to avoid with external links is linking directly to a competitive post or website that ranks for the exact kinds of terms that you're trying to rank for in your article. So if you're publishing an article about how to start a blog, you don't want to link out externally to another article about how to start a blog because you want your article to rank for it. So external links, link to the content that is helpful, provides value to your readers, but doesn't shoot yourself in your own foot.